Today I'm going to review the CyberPowerPC Gamer Supreme Gaming PC SLC8470A. At any point during this video, if you'd like to check out this gaming PC for yourself and get it at a fantastic price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Hey fellow gamers, welcome back to Poting Reviews, where we dive deep into the world of gaming tech to bring you the latest and greatest. Today we've got something special for you. The CyberPowerPC Gamer Supreme Liquid Cool Game Heat Model SLC8470A, powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 7800X3D and featuring the mighty NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Super. But before we jump into the specs, let's talk about why you might want to consider a pre-built gaming PC like this one. Now, let's take a closer look at the CyberPowerPC Gamer Supreme. With an AMD Ryzen 7 7800X3D processor running at 4.2 GHz across 8 cores, 32GB of DDR5 RAM, and a lightning-fast 1TB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD, this beast is designed for one thing: gaming. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Super with a whopping 12GB of graphics memory ensures you can tackle the latest titles at ultra-high settings and high resolutions. The connectivity options are robust, featuring 4 USB 3.1 ports, 4 USB 2.0 ports, 1 LAN, 1G, and Wi-Fi 5 for hassle-free online gaming. The liquid cool CPU and custom RGB lighting not only keep the temperatures down, but also make your rig look like it belongs in a gaming paradise. And did I mention the sleek white design? It's not just a gaming machine, it's a statement piece for your gaming setup. So why should you invest in a pre-built gaming PC like the CyberPowerPC Gamer Supreme? Well, for starters, it's optimized for gaming at ultra-high settings and high resolutions. The AMD Ryzen 7 processor ensures you get top-notch performance and seamless multitasking, making it not just a gaming powerhouse, but an all-around productivity beast. Whether you're into competitive esports, immersive single-player adventures, or content creation, this PC has your back. The graphics capabilities provided by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Super take your gaming experience to the next level with impeccable image quality and high frame rates. But it's not just about the internals. The package includes a gaming keyboard and RGB 7-color mouse combo, ensuring you're ready to jump into the action straight out of the box. And with Windows 11 Home pre-installed, you're getting the latest OS for an enhanced gaming experience. Now, let's talk about the benefits. The CyberPowerPC Gamer Supreme offers you the convenience of a pre-built system. No need to spend hours researching and assembling components. It's a plug-and-play solution, saving you time and effort. The 1-year parts and labor warranty and free lifetime tech support provide peace of mind, ensuring you're covered in case anything goes wrong. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or someone looking to step into the gaming world, this PC is designed to elevate your experience. The wireless 802.11ac Wi-Fi ensures a stable online connection, and the customizable RGB lighting lets you personalize your setup to match your style. Now let's address the elephant in the room: the con. The CyberPowerPC Gamer Supreme, like any product, isn't without its drawbacks. One thing to consider is the weight. At 46 pounds, it's not the most lightweight option out there. If you're someone who attends gaming events or frequently moves your setup, the weight might be a factor to keep in mind. In conclusion, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Supreme Liquid Cool Gaming PC is a powerhouse designed for enthusiasts who want a top-tier gaming experience without the hassle of building a PC from scratch. From its impressive specifications to the convenience of a pre-built system, this PC has it all. If you're ready to take your gaming setup to the next level and make a statement with a sleek, white design, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Supreme is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest pricing and availability. Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on the product we discussed today. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews.